managed to make it. All right, and I gave you guys some levels on yesterday, but we'll take a look at this really quickly here because I gave you this yesterday. This was my first post that I gave you. If you want to know how high they may want to try to, get to, you can just go with this. We're not going to worry about next month's activity. We're not going to do that. We're going to deal with yesterday's price. Let's just go ahead and look at yesterday's activity because they need to get here too, all right, if they're going to stay up. Now, if you haven't had a chance to catch up, you can look at these posts from yesterday. This is kind of where it all started. All right, this is where it all started here, and that's what we had there. Now, if you don't know how to trade, please come to this channel. This is my other channel. This is education. This is indications. $100 here for all indicators that you're seeing, and here I teach you how to read price, how to use the clock, know what type of bar you're going to be dealing with before it even finishes. All right, where your high and your low is set while the bar is actually moving. All right, so let's look at this. You don't want them back past this pivot for the rest of today if they plan to stay up today. All right, just want to say that to you. We got the value and benchmark institutional bars in here. You can see them at work. And again, that's that information from yesterday. I told you that pivot was weak yesterday before they got down here. I told you it was weak, but of course they needed to get to that price level and they stayed under there all night long. All right, so now what we're going to be considering, now this is just considering, if they're going to try to be difficult today and just swing, and not really want to get back up here and run some more, whatever, they need not break this low. All right, they need not break that low, and hopefully, just hopefully, they can get back above this, just right here where they took that nasty little dive there and trapped everybody in that long that saw this. But again, you guys was aware of this on yesterday. You knew that they would pick this up. We had that price there. They picked it up. They ran it up. These guys that want to buy here today, they're late. They're just late, and that's all it is. So I hope you were able to catch that short, that short down because you were aware of this pivot from yesterday. All right, so hopefully they can hold this for the rest of the day. That's what you would want to see them do. If they get back past here, it's a problem. I'm gonna just say it that way. All right, so I wish you all the best with your trading. Again, try to be safe with trading. Just try to be safe. See if they can stay above this 30,000, 168 and a quarter. Just see if they can do that. So 168, that'll be roughly where the text is at. So see if they can just hold above here. Don't let them back here. Just don't let them back here. See if they can hold above here and just kind of work their way up, and they may hold you steady, until maybe later on this evening or maybe tomorrow. All right, wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.